Welcome to Chemical Services I. This is a short overview of the expectations of the next 8 weeks for Chemical Services I. First of all of your information can be found in Brightspace. So if you open your COS 156 Chemical Services I page in Brightspace, this is your course home page, and this is what it looks like. Every now and then, I like to put up fun videos for you to watch. I will put up some announcements. But basically, I want for you to be able to understand how the class is going to be conducted. So the first thing I'd like for you to kindly do is click on Content. When you click on Content, the first page that should come up, if you haven't been in there before, will be your syllabus, calendar, and course guide. I would like for you to read the syllabus by the second day of class. Once you understand all the information in the syllabus, go ahead and pull up your contract saying that you've read it. Now, if you read your syllabus and there's things in the syllabus that you do not understand, please wait to sign your contract until all your questions have been answered. Once you pull up your contract, you can either print a copy or you may sign it online and send it back to me. I will put a spot for you on the second day of class to submit that, and I will remind you in class. Next, you will find your course calendar for Chemical Services I. This course calendar was developed to ensure dates, tell you possible points, and allow you to understand and anticipate upcoming assignments and the expectations of the class. Next is the course guide, and the course guide is actually a plan laid out for all the objectives that we will be covering in Chemical Services I. Go ahead and look at that, and if you have any questions about any of this information, go ahead and jot down some notes, and you can either ask me privately or you can ask in class, and that way everyone will get the same information. All right, if you'd like to click on week 1, what I've done is design each module for each day that will be in class. There will be an in-class assignment for reflection points of 10 points, and every day you will have a content review. Content review is basically broken down questions from the study guide, equaling 10 points, and you can take that as many times as you would like to gain the full 10 points, or it can be open book. This ensures that you're getting the information and that you understand what the expectations of our first chapter 21 hair coloring is. So this is what January 10th would look like, January 11th, January 12th. They're all formatted the same. Every day you'll have a content review. Now know that if you happen to be absent from class, you cannot make up this content review. This is only for people who come to class, and you cannot make up the in-class assignment because it's actually a reflection of what we've done in class. So every week is basically designed the same. And also under content, what I have done is I have divided up each chapter with study materials. Chapter 21 study materials. Sorry, my dog needed to be let out. Back to all of the study materials that I have developed to go with each chapter that we're going to be going over. You will have access to the Chapter 21 PowerPoint, the full study guide, and the exam. Now, the day that the exam is due, I will publish it. You may take this study guide as many times as you want, and you may review the Chapter 21 PowerPoint as many times as you would like. I have all of your study materials put up the same way when we move on to Chapter 20. The Chapter 20 PowerPoint, the full study guide, and then you will have the Chapter 20, which is Texture Services exam on the date that's reflected, again, up here in the calendar. So to open up the calendar, you just click on it, download it, bring it up, and it's pretty self-explanatory. The chapters we're going over, the amount of points that you may get, when your workbooks are due, how many questions are on each one of your exams, and total points. You will have a final, week 8, the last day of class, and that final will be worth 50 points. You will also be taking your final chapter exam worth 63 points, which is anatomy and physiology. I hope this tutorial was beneficial, and I am looking forward to seeing you in class.